Merit Certificate Semifinals. So I start with the District Administration Chandel. We missed them during the last round, so they have joined with us. They joined with us now for improvement of health indicators under aspirational district program. So we have the gentleman. Can we have? Yeah, we can see you.
Yes. Good afternoon to all the participants. This is Dr. A. Chingwen Komba District Additional District Magistrate, Chandel, Manipur. As we have already put up, today we should have joined at around 10:40, but due to the connection factor, you see our district is one of the remotest in Manipur as well as in the country. We have borderline around 1 kilometers with Myanmar, and indeed it is very remote in terms of topography as well as connectivity is concerned. And this time we have put up with the topic of borderline around health and nutrition sector. You see, as our district has been appointed as an aspirational district in 2017, we have made various efforts in the development of health sector, education, as well as other sectors also. But mainly on this health sector, we have good improvements, I would say in terms of institutional deliveries is concerned, in terms of immunization program factor is concerned, and in terms of deliveries at homes with skilled birth attendants from the health sector side. Then we have definitely come across and put at the minimum level the infant mortality rate as well as maternal mortality rate as of now. And you can see, since there is a big gap to this connection in terms of public transport, in terms of connectivity, in terms of road, as well as this network is concerned, I would say that whatsoever we have put up, we have met certain very excellent improvements in this sector of health.
Congratulations. Congratulations, doctor, for doing excellent work.
I'm very thankful that we have been put up with this auspice.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, and congratulations. I now invite the District Administration Moga for their work in renovation of traditional water bodies. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello. Sir?
Yes, please go ahead. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sir, I'm the executive engineer at Panchayati Raj, Moga. Moga is a district in Punjab, situated on the Ludhiana-Firozpur highway. The basic economy of the district is agriculture. We are withdrawing water at the per year. Management is so we are per year. Major challenge in this area. We have started the renovation of the water bodies. Now we are taking about 50 lakh liters per day. The total potential in this area is about 100 million liters per day. We are working on that, and we are hopeful we will be achieving in the coming 2 years.
Sure. Congratulations for doing the good work, and thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
I now invite District Administration Saraikela Kharsawan for the District Scheme and Resource Management.
Is there? This video is off.
So, you would like to?
You can only speak.
So I think they're having some connectivity problem. We move on to the next. District Administration Khandwa, efforts to transform health and nutrition services and increase coverage.
Hello.
Yes, welcome.
Hello. Thank you, sir. And thank you, Scotch, for selecting us for this award. Our main motive was to reform our Anganwadi, sir. I would just like to brief a bit about the project. And for this,
kindly introduce yourself. You are?
sorry, sir. It's Dr. R.K. Singh from District Administration, Khandwa. Khandwa is a district in Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Welcome.
It's nearby to Indore.
Okay.
Yeah, so sir, it was about reforming our Anganwadis, and the unique thing which we did for this purpose is we involved the third parties as in the inspection of the Anganwadis. Whenever women and child development, being the in-house department, used to visit it and give the responses, which seemed to us that might be a little biased or something. So we involved other officers from agriculture department, horticulture department, PWD, PHE, whatever you may think of. All the officers were allotted this task to go and visit the Anganwadis, and it would have been a surprise visit, so that the Anganwadi Karyakarta and also wouldn't be aware of about this project. And it really was helpful for us to see the real picture which is going on, that Anganwadi is opening in the time or not, whether the THR, the food is distributed properly or not, and even in the interiors, the unreachable spots of the district were covered by this, sir. And we
Good, very good.
Really, yeah, sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. District Administration, Sheravasti. Building as Learning Aid Operation Kayakal. Ms. Yashu Rustagi, District Magistrate. District Administration, Siddharth Nagar. Upgradation of government schools, Mr. Deepak Meena, District Magistrate. We have the gentleman with us. The next is from the District Administration, Sitamarhi. The project is School Education and Environment Sustainability. Ms. Abhilasha Kumari Sharma, District Magistrate.
Congratulations.
For the honorable mention, the District Administration, Sivsagar, from Mission Soulful Sivsagar, is Lakshmi Priya, Deputy Commissioner.
Afternoon, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, so I'm presently DC in the district of Bongaigaon, both are in Assam. Earlier on, Sivsagar was in Upper Assam, now I am in Lower Assam. So our project, Mission Soulful Sivsagar, is something that consists of 10-11 components. Before I tell anything more, sir, I would want to reiterate that this is not a one-person project. This is our team which has worked day in and day out. So whatever appreciation we are getting on this platform belongs least to me as compared to all my other members. So a couple of projects I'll read, sir. The first one is it is called Project Kokila. Kokila means butterfly. What we did, we used to identify children with multiple disabilities and we used to train them in whatever forms it is that they are trainable. Say somebody can draw, we used to identify somebody who could train in painting, and we used to hold exhibitions at Delhi and other places. Another one was Project Pohor. Pohor means light in Assamese. So we had put up around 1,000 solar street lights. Another was Project Lakshya, where we used to train up aspirants for IAS and ACS, that is a local civil service. Then one was Khelo Sivsagar Khelo, where we used to give a chance for all children to play and participate in events up to Olympics.
Thank you so much. Yeah, this is indeed, a very, very valuable intervention, because coming from where you are at such a remote area, and the odds are against you, circumstances like that, making an effort of such a nature is extremely, extremely commendable. So kindly do keep up the good work.
Really, all credits to my team. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. Convey our greetings to them.
Yes, definitely.
We go back to that we missed, which is Saraikela. The video was not working at that time, so they have joined us.
Is it audible now?
Yes.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, this is Sumant Anand on behalf of DC sir. He was there, and unfortunately, our internet was not working and video has not started, so he left. Really sorry for that.
Okay.
Yes, about Saraikela. Saraikela is in Jharkhand state, and we had a project called District Scheme Resource Management. When multiple schemes are running in the district, it is very difficult to find out doubling the schemes or how we can stop the defalcation of the fund. So that's why we thought we should have a software where we can put all the schemes together and stop the defalcation of the fund. And I see Phatak sir today. I'm very happy, and I would like to add one of the stakeholder of this project now is a student of Dr. Phatak sir in IIT Bombay for database engineering.
Excellent. What I would say, of all the major successes around the country, will find their connect with Dr. Phatak.
Right. Agree.
And we also happen to be one.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Thanks.
So we move on to the next Scotch Order of Merit for District Administration Sonitpur, Project Boat Clinic. Mr. Manvendra Pratap Singh, Deputy Commissioner. Is he there?
Oh, he's not there.
Deepak, is the gentleman around?
Not there.
Let's move on.
District Administration South Tripura for the project Water Conservation. Mr. Devapriya Bardhan, District Magistrate and Collector.
He's there. I have just requested video.
Yeah, congratulations.
Your audio is switched off. Kindly unmute yourself. Yes,
Hello.
we can
Hello.
hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. We can hear you.
Achha. I am OC Development, Jogandra Dabarma. Actually, DMs are engaged in another meeting. That is why I am representing. So, thank you for selection as in your merit award. And if selected, if finally we selected, in that case, it will be one encourages thing for us, is because other district they are also following us. So finally, we don't know actually whether we will be selected finally, but it will be encouraging one if we finally we selected.
That decision is now in the hands of the delegate. So,
Thank you.
congratulations. Good job.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Thank you. The honorable mention goes to the District Administration Sarai Kakulam. Sri Kakulam, that's right. Marpu, MAARPU, the change, the project intervention by Mr. J. Nivas, District Collector, Sri Kakulam. We move on to the next one. That's the order of merit also goes to the District Srikakulam for Upadhi Jyoti, and Job Recruitment Management System. The honorable mention goes to District Administration Sultanpur, Project Unnati. Ms. C. Indumati, Collector and District Magistrate, Sultanpur. District Administration Uttar Bastar Kanker for Kanker Kilkari. Mr. Kumar Lal Chauhan, District Collector, District Magistrate and Collector.
Hi everyone, I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Thank you so much. I am Nanda from the District Administration Kanker. So our project name specifically Kilkari is all about the reduction of malnutrition in the district Kanker. It is one of the highly LWE affected districts. and it is prone to malnutrition. In NFHS 2015-16, 14-15, the data was 49.5% of the children are malnourished. So our district administration started an initiative called Kanker Kilkari, in which we have a target of reduction of malnutrition among the small children as well as anemia among the tribals of the Chhattisgarh. So finally, we have achieved more than 15% of the children move away from the malnutrition.
Congratulations, commendable job.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
District Administration West Delhi for disaster management training for school safety under National School Safety Program. Ms. Neha Bansal, District Magistrate West Delhi.
Congratulations.
From West Delhi to West Garo Hills, District Administration. Plastic Free Tura Initiative, Mr. Ram Singh, Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills. District Administration West Khasi Hills now for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat Mission. Mr. Tebelen Lingwa, Deputy Commissioner. District Administration Kulgam for increase in production employment income technology innovative. Mr. Sukhawat Aijaz Bhatt, Deputy Development Commissioner.
Okay.
The next one also goes to District Administration Kulgam for the response to COVID. District Disaster Management Authority. District Administration Rudraprayag for District Ad Hoc Wireless Surveillance Communication System using drone technology. Mr. Shiv Prasad Unyal, E-District Manager.
Okay.
For honorable mention, District Disaster Management Authority, District Administration Uttarkashi for relief, rescue and rehabilitation works in Arakot. Mr. Devendra Patwal, Disaster Management Officer. Dr. Manju Sharma, Collector and DM for the honorable mention Project Fulwari in Ashoknagar, District Jail and Development for District Administration, Ashoknagar. Next honorable mention, District Mission Management Unit, Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, Weekly Mahila Bazaar, Mr. Lakshmi Nandan Goswami, District Project Manager. District Rural Development Agency from Aryalur, Rural Development, Water Management, Mr. S. Sundararajan, Project Director. District Rural Development Agency from Ganjam, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Mr. Vijay Amruta Kulange, Collector and District Magistrate.
He's there, sir.
We have Ganjam with us. Kindly unmute yourself so that we can hear you. You are muted. Switch on your mic. We are missing you there. Can't hear. Please unmute yourself.
Sir, is it audible, sir?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of District Administration, I would like to put for some project-related issues, sir. Our Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has been selected for the Scotch Award. This is very good. As part of this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, basically we are providing houses to the poor families. As well as providing houses, we have to focus on convergence. And lot of innovative steps like IC activities we have already undertaken under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana.
Excellent. And where is Ganjam? I'm sorry, I'm not recalling the state. Which state is Ganjam?
Sir?
Which state is your district in?
Odisha. State of Odisha.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
The honorable mention, District Rural Development Agency from Jorhat, water conservation of Morongial low-lying area. Mr. Deva Nandadas, Project Director, DRDA, and CEO Zilla Parishad. Next honorable mention goes to District Rural Development Agency, Jorhat, once again. I think this is a repeat. We skip that and come to District Rural Development Agency, Lalitpur, for Scotch Order of Merit, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen, Mr. Anil Kumar Pandey, Chief Development Officer. District Rural Development Agency, Society for Employment Generation and Enterprise Development in Andhra Pradesh, CDAP, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Grameen Kaushal Yojana, Mr. Gandham Chandrudu, Collector. Deepak, is he with us?
No, this is not.
District Rural Development Agency, Thoothukudi, Elimination of Open Defecation, Mr. Sandeep Nanduri, District Collector, Scotch Order of Merit. Is the gentleman with us? District Tourism Committee, District Administration, Tapi, for Destination Development of Doswara Dam, Mr. Kishan Taylor, Nodal Engineer for Tourism. District Water and Sanitation Committee, District Administration, Sonitpur, for Swachh Bharat Mission, Mr. Manvendra Pratap Singh, Deputy Commissioner. Education Department, District Administration, Viruddhanagar, for Girls' Toilet, Mr. R. Kannan, District Collector. Farmers Welfare and Agriculture Development, District Administration, Chhatarpur, Seed Distribution and Area Expansion under High Value Crop, Mr. Sheelendra Singh, District Magistrate. Health and Family Welfare Department from District Administration, Rudraprayag, for the project Mother Awakening Application, Mr. S.K. Jha, Chief Medical Officer. Health Department from District Administration, Bhuj, for their intervention to reduce MMR, Dr. P.N. Kanar, Chief District Health Officer. The next one also goes to the District Administration, Bhuj, for its response to COVID, Dr. P.N. Kanar, Chief District Health Officer. Health Department, District Panchayat Patan, for the project Spandan, Mr. Dheeraj Kanji Bhai Parekh.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for the selection. I am audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Actually, this Spandan project is for the synergy between the health and nutrition department, and our target group was SUW and MEW children and adults and girls for their sanitary habits. And at the end of the project, we had a good number of reduction in SUW and MEW children, and at the same time, social behavior change of the adults and girls as for their sanitary practices. This is what our project is securing anemia. That is
Congratulations, excellent job.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
And where is your which state is your district?
Sir, sorry, I am from district Patan, falls in Gujarat.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have Ms. Sara Sharma, Superintendent of Police, from the Office of Superintendent of Police, Gajapati, District's response to COVID.
Congratulations.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for this privilege. And I am really privileged that we could get this award at the national level from the Scotch team. And we have really put in a lot of hard work, sir, and it will boost the morale of those who have been working day and night, and it will strengthen our commitment to work for the country even more. Thank you, sir, and Jai Hind.
Congratulations. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have the Pollution Control Board, Assam, from District Administration, Sonitpur, Solid Waste Management. From Prakasam District Police, Project Abhay, Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, good
Yes.
afternoon. Congratulations. You've done a good job.
Thank you, sir. Abhay was our response to the Disha incident that happened in Hyderabad. I mean, this was a initiative for women's safety, and essentially it represented a new kind of emergency service, the standard dial 100 service that the police offers everywhere. Our Abhay project extended the scope of that emergency service, which is available to the public. So thereby, we started the organized systematic service design wherein anybody, any woman in distress after 9 p.m. till 6 a.m. in the morning could contact the police through various channels, primarily through dial 100 number, and we would attend to that. We would not only rescue them if they're in trouble, we would also drop them home safely. And if we don't have a four-wheeler available, if it's only a two-wheeler patrol, then we escort them home safely. So we started this service and there were a lot of, we systematized it, we used technology, we put in body-worn cameras, GPS tracking, we sensitized our staff, gave training to them. So in the end, it became a very it's sort of a assuring gesture for the public. Sir, a lot of women started using it. They were free to move around in the night. Of course, after COVID, we've had a clamp down and a night curfew. So for the last 3 months, we haven't had an uptake of the service, so to speak. But other than that, we were very happy and very gratified to note that this was extended all over the state, and then organically many districts in many other states of the country started similar services to tend to women and their safety needs at night time. So thanks a lot for recognizing it, and this will go along.
How is the district faring in COVID?
In fact, we are witnessing a sharp rise in cases, sir. It took us 77 days to reach from the first case to the 100th. Then it took us only 13 days to reach from 100 to 200. Now we are on course to reaching the 300 mark in the 7th day. So we are heading for an exponential rise. So we'll probably have to have a limited lockdown again implemented in our district.
Well,
I guess
all the
that's
best
going
to
to be
you.
the
God
situation
bless
all
you,
across
and
the
if you
country.
work, hopefully you come out of it shining.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Siddharthji. So we'll move on from here. Rajasthan Gramin Ajivika Vikas Parishad, District Administration Churu, for interventions in self-help groups of Rajivika. Mr. Sandesh Nayak, Collector and DM. Rural Development Department from District Administration Maharajganj for the project Vermicompost Technique for Sustainable Land Development with Livelihood Enhancement through MGNREGA. Dr. Ujjwal Kumar, District Magistrate. Women Department from District Administration Gadag for the project Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Mr. M.G. Hiramath, Deputy Commissioner. So this brings us to the end of batch 4 of Scotch Order of Merit.